Hey everybody, today we're talking about Neo by Nicholas Lawrence. Hey everybody, Eric Tate here alongside my good buddy Nick Lacapo, and today we're talking about Neo by Nicholas Lawrence.
Who?
Nicholas Lawrence.
My man, I love this guy.
Oh, me too. This dude does the craziest, most visual magic ever.
He's the, I think as of right now, he is the king of like visual to the camera. I mean, Nicholas is a fantastic live performer as well, but like the stuff he creates, and I know that he loves to create, is that ultra visual stuff for performers that so they can have like really hot clips and things on their Instagram or even live.
It looks like, I mean, this looks like it's from the Matrix.
Yes.
I mean, there's like stuff moving. What we are talking about with Neo. Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, okay.
What we're talking about here is a moving ink effect. This is really cool. You have a deck of cards. A card is selected. You draw 4 X's on the back, and then the X's jump all around the cards like they're in a fight scene choreographed by...
never mind. It doesn't matter. We'll look it up. Anyway, let's take a look at what you get inside, Eric.
So we have this nice packaging, this nice, magnetic class packaging from Penguin Magic, and then inside is the gimmick, and there is a little ribbon so that we can open up the gimmick, and actually, we'll take this and we'll put it right on top of the deck, and you can give us a live performance.
Oh, let's give it a shot here. We're going to have a card selected.
Yeah.
And you're just going to reach in here and you will touch a card if you want. That one right there.
Yep.
Now, well, actually, it's not the type of trick where it matters if I see the card.
Okay.
Okay, so I have a Sharpie here.
Oh,
if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and sign your name on the Ace of Hearts, Eric.
Got it. That is my bank signature there.
Bank signature to the bank. Perfect. So we have Eric. This is like a really inky marker here, so I almost got to give it a second, over there. So I'm going to draw something on the back of this Ace of Hearts. I'm actually going to draw 4 little X's. All right. So let me get this one. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. And that. Color that one in a little bit. I got to make them perfect. That's 4.
We really need to get a better marker for these.
Yeah. I know this one's been through a lot at this point. So I have, and I'll show you these X's here. Let me get rid of this marker. I'm going to come down here so everybody can see it at home. Watch the 4 X's. They're actually all going to start to move. It's going to look like they're moving. Can you see them moving? Not yet, but just keep watching. You'll see the X's start to move to the bottom corner.
That's crazy.
Right? It looks just insane. You see the bottom one just jump over there like that?
I love that.
It looks insane, right?
It really
totally
does.
Insane.
Yeah.
We'll do it again.
Okay.
Even though you didn't ask.
Please do it again. Nick, please. May I have some more?
But so they're all, look, all 4 of them are in the same corner.
Yeah.
All I have to do is just wave my hand over the card, and the 4 X's return right back to where they started.
I love how fast it is.
Yeah, and I know it looked like I might have done some sleight of hand or something like that.
Yeah. Could you do it with one hand?
Well, that's asking a lot.
Nick, I want to see it with one hand.
One hand.
One hand?
One hand for Eric. Here we go. Watch close. If I just give the card a little shake, you'll see it almost happen instantaneously where all 4 X's go right down to the bottom.
I love it. It's so
cool.
cool.
The best part is that you can give this signed card away as a souvenir with the X's on the back.
Check that out right there. Those are real X's on my real signature. This is a cool trick. I really like this.
Better than cool,
yeah.
Right? Like super visual, ultra visual. This is what you guys want, right?
Yeah.
On all your feeds out there.
This is a really cool trick, I think. Like I could see myself putting this on my Instagram or like my TikTok. Not that I'm on TikTok, but if I was on TikTok,
he's about to be on TikTok, right?
I think you could do this. You can do this in real life, but this is really a trick that should be done on social media.
Yeah, I mean, Nicholas recommends to do this on social media. Is that correct?
He does. Yeah, he does.
And I've seen him do it live.
Yeah.
You can do it live.
The first time I saw him do this live, it was at my house. It was wild.
Now, the reason why we're saying that is because this is a heavily gimmicked card.
Yes.
That you're receiving here.
Yeah. You are going to be getting something that we're not going to show you or reveal the gimmick, but it is a little thick, so you're not going to be like, pulling it out and handing it out to anyone.
This gimmick card is a James Bond style device.
Looks amazing.
And like the way that it works is like gravity.
Inertia.
Yeah, is the best way to put it. But it has a way of stopping what's about to happen as well, which is why you're able to hold it in positions that you're seeing it in. It's well made. It's actually made out of...
it's made out of styrene.
Yeah.
So there's... there are early versions of this particular gimmick that were made out of like multiple cards, and it was all kind of crazy. And ultimately, the design ended up, the design team worked with Nicholas Lawrence, and they ended up making it with this like really cool plastic. So it blends into the deck. So it's only a few cards thick. It's not like what you're messing around with here is not like half the deck.
Yeah,
also, there's no crazy levers. There's no flaps. I think that's really
important.
There's no strings or weirdness.
I was like taking that for granted. You should just assume that Nicholas Lawrence has designed some space age thing, right?
Yeah.
Because at this point, it is about what is it, about 5 cards? About 5 cards.
Yeah. So you're going to be able to add it to your deck. But again. No flaps, no wires, no levers, no buttons or anything like that. You're shaking the deck is what's actually activating the gimmick. And it takes a little bit of practice to get those X's to move the way you want them to, but Nicholas teaches you a whole bunch of different ways to get those X's to jump all around.
Yeah, it comes with an instructional video with Nicholas. He goes through the kind of the same routine that you just saw here, along with just a couple other ideas as well.
Yeah, it's pretty neat, and it's a cool visual giveaway. I mean, they see those 4 X's written on the corners of the cards, and then at the end of it, you're able to give away a signed card.
Yeah, this is prepared in advance.
Yes.
Other than that, the trick is essentially get the gimmick in the deck, and you can do it.
It's designed to be used thousands of times. It is it's a very durable gimmick.
Yeah, especially if you are going to be doing it on video.
Yeah.
I mean, you're really never going to have a durability issue anyway, right? Because it's not going to be in a case or in your pocket or any of that stuff. So yeah.
I think that's really all there is for us to talk about this trick. It's pretty neat. I think you're going to like it. This is Neo.
You guys are going to love it.
Yeah, this is Neo by Nicholas Lawrence. You're going to love this. Check it out.